Here I am again, crashing the party one more time. This is Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track unit out of a 69 Charger. It is now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth, USB, HD radio, a new harness for greatly increased output power, and my cool little external input-output box, which has your 4-channel preamp outs, an unpowered subwoofer output, and then this is your aux input, all in one handy box. So Rich, this comes from Rich in San Bruno, California, and Rich has pretty much requested the all bells and whistles package. The job was originally due this past December, but then the customer decided to have me remove the thumb wheels so he could send them off for rechroming. And as you can see, they're so shiny now that they blow out the camera. It's too much for the iris. So let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and run it through its paces and make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I receive, so we can demonstrate the balance and fader during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright issues. So here we go. On AM.
Doors by Joel. We bring you peace of mind, one door at a time.
We're going to need our output level meters for this. Okay, original left-right balance control.
It's really a cool thing. That means we understand what's going on in the community. The staff at Bradshaw Family Dental are your neighbors. We shop where you shop. Our kids go to school with yours. And yes, we have seats too. So if you're putting off getting dental work done because of...
And now we also have, since this is a 4-speaker radio now, we have a virtual front-rear fader. It's in the tone control, and we activate it by first turning the tone control to around the center position and then giving it 2 quick turns upward. So let's try that.
Brought to you by Little Dealer, Little Prices. Hello, camper.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Little Dealer, Little Prices.
All the way front.
Looking for that perfect RV
Rear.
to find your way.
Front.
Here's a perfect
Rear.
situation with our summer sale going with hot deals, and we have
Fader set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Finding your
Bluetooth ready to pair.
So you heard that. Okay, let's
or maintenance.
make sure it plays music stored on a USB stick. We don't need this stuff anymore. Got my radio commercial right here.
69 at Truett on top of the hill.
I'm Lindsay Draper with your cake.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69. But she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car, I can't hear the guitar. And all my
The horror, final destination.
Okay, radio comes back. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which we do on this radio by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just run it down the dial.
I've been listening to you guys and been getting...
And I couldn't do it. I did, Phil. That's part of it.
Ahora yo también seré capaz de morir.
Developed in myself.
Come as you are.
5 lessons.
Generation that you were seeing and
if you look.
Q&A. Right now at the silent. She's on. I discovered a fragile seat.
Obviously our newest.
Carpenter taste.
Alrighty, let's try the 8-track. Blank spot there. Pull the tape out, radio comes back. Let's check the dial light. And you can see it flashing on and off inside there. And so Rich has most likely sent us chrome faceplate off for rechroming too. Unit was sent without the faceplate. So that takes care of everything. It's all working properly. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next one. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And off the home page of that website, around the middle of it, please download and print a work order before calling me to ask me a bunch of questions about my prices, options, and turn times. That 15-minute series of questions from each new customer really interferes with my work on the bench, and that's where the work gets done. So please do that research before calling me, because when your radio's here, you're not going to want me spending 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer. You're going to want me working on your radio. So please observe that, and thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Rich, for your business from San Bruno, California. We finally got her finished, and we'll see you guys next time.